Guys, I just learned how to play the Pop It game, so I'm going to be playing it with my sister. Winner gets an airhead. Basically, we're going to take turns popping as many bubbles as we want in one row, and whoever's the last person to pop the bubble loses. Ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll start. Dang it! Oh wait, what? Did I win?
No, you have this one.
Dang it. She won the airhead. We're going to play one more time for another airhead, and this time she's starting. Oh my gosh, I won! We both got an airhead. That was so fun to play.